Hi Gardening Jams, and Determined Gardener here with another important gardening hack. Who doesn't love hydrangeas, and who doesn't love these beautiful pink hydrangeas? But how can you get more bang for your buck? Well, this is a secret that I am going to tell you. Take a look at this hydrangea. You think it's one, but actually there are two hydrangeas in this pot. That's right here you can see the indentation that it is two hydrangeas in this pot. What I'm gonna do is take my trusty shears and I'm gonna cut this plant. And I already did it right here. And you can see, voila, this plant was one, now it's two. Two different hydrangeas. You can now put it in one spot and you can put it in the other. And don't worry about the roots because again, these are two separate plants. So next time you go to a store, look for the separation. If you see a separation, a clear separation like you see right here, this is two hydrangeas. So what you would do, what I would recommend, putting this one part in another spot and then putting this other hydrangea in. You got two plants for the price of one. Follow my channel, Determined Gardener, for more gardening tips and hacks.